If you're starting 2026 at zero, here's the part nobody tells you. You can hit $10,000 way faster than you think, but only if you stop doing the three things that keep most people broke. In this video, I'll show you the exact money plan I'd use, and in a minute, I'll give you a simple number you can check today to see if you'll ever get there. First, let's make $10,000 fast real. If you want $10,000 in 12 months, that's about $833 per month, or roughly $28 per day. You only have two levers: how much you stop wasting and how much you add on top. Step 1. Track every dollar. For 1 month, write down or log every single expense in a simple app or note. Rent, food, gas, subscriptions, everything. Most people only then realize they're burning $200 to $400 every month without noticing. Step 2. Kill the big leaks. Anything that hits you every month, rent, car, insurance, phone subscriptions, is your biggest lever. If you shave just $200 off fixed costs and $100 off random spending, that's $300 a month. Over 12 months, that's $3,600 you used to burn for nothing. Before we move on, here's the brutal test that tells you if $10,000 is realistic for you this year or not. If your current number is below this line, you have to change something in the next 30 days. Otherwise, this plan will not work for you. Take last month and ask, if I had been serious, how much could I realistically have saved? That number is your true saving potential. If it's under $300, your first job is to fix expenses and income. If it's above $300, you're in the game. Step 3. Boost your income. Cutting gives you a base, but to hit $10,000 fast, you almost always need extra money coming in. That could be a part-time job, freelancing, tutoring, delivery, or any simple side hustle that adds $300 to $500 per month. Cut plus extra income can easily be $600 to $800 a month, and suddenly that $10,000 goal stops being a dream. Step 4. Automate your savings and separate the money. Open a dedicated high-yield savings or goal account and name it $10,000 goal. Set an automatic transfer right after payday, for example, $600 a month. At $600 a month, you hit around $10,000 in 16 to 17 months without relying on willpower. Before you throw this money into investing, your life needs an airbag. The first chunk, maybe $1,000 to $3,000, stays as an emergency fund, so one broken car or job loss doesn't wipe you out again. And while you're building up to $10,000, you do not take on new consumer debt. No new phone on payments, no buy now, pay later cart just because you're bored. So what happens once you hit $10,000? A part of it stays as your safety buffer, and the rest can slowly move into a simple ETF investing plan that deserves its own video. The real win is this: you've proved to yourself that you can create and keep money. After that, growing it becomes way easier. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you for spending your time here. You're already ahead of most people who just keep scrolling. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. And now, tell me in the comments, what do you want next? A full emergency fund game plan? Or the exact ETFs I'd start buying once I hit $10,000?